Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella. It is a perfect weather for a picnic, so I'm gonna make a tofu kimbap today. Recently, I saw singer Lee Sangmin making tofu kimbap in TV show. I thought it was quite interesting because nobody ever think about making kimbap using tofu. The one downside of making tofu kimbap is that it is very spicy. However, I made a recipe for people who can't eat spicy food. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. The first thing we gotta do is get rid of the moist in tofu. Since I'm gonna fry it in hot oil, I press it gently with the kitchen towel. Once you remove the moist in them, you have to cut this down about 1 centimeter wide. Try making look like the French fries. I'll substitute chili with paprika. Remove the paprika stem and seeds inside. Cut them into half and slice it into thin pieces. I'll also use the yellow one to make it more colorful. Do the same thing with the yellow ones too. Then, let's make tofu fried in oil. I'll use canola oil at this time. Put an ample amount of oil inside the pot and heat it for 5 to 10 minutes. How do you know that it is in a right temperature? If you put a wooden stick in it and you could see the bubble inside, then you are so ready to put tofu. Put them carefully one by one. Fry it until it gets brown. It'll exactly look like this when it is done. It'll be crispy outside and moist inside. Place them on a kitchen towel and remove the oil. Let's make a lemon mayonnaise then. Put 5 spoons of mayonnaise, three spoons of lemon juice, and 2 spoons of honey. Mix them using spoons. Prepare steamed rice in bowl. Put a 2 spoons of sesame oil and bit of salt inside. Mix them using wooden paddle. Now I'll use a device that helps to make me roll kimbap better. If you go to a market in Korea, you definitely can get this. But if you don't have one, you can just roll in it using hands. Place the laver on it and spread the steamed rice about 2/3 of it. Place the 4 pieces of fried tofu at the 1/3 of its point. Put a sliced paprika beside, both red and yellow ones. Put a lemon mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce on it. Roll it out from the edge. Press it like you're squeezing the ingredient in the kimbap. Make sure to roll it in the end. If it is done, then apply the sesame oil with the brush to make it shine. Slice them about 1 centimeter thick, then it's finished. Put them on a dish and sprinkle the sesame on them. Wow, I didn't know that tofu can be this good if they are used as an ingredient in kimbap. It is crispy and sweet at the same time because of the paprika that is used in this kimbap. The teriyaki sauce and mayonnaise gives it a special flavor to it. Try making this at home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!